Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best butcher twine is probably one of the most underrated tools in a smoker's arsenal. It's essential for securing meat, maintaining shape, and ensuring even cooking. From trussing a chicken to tying up a brisket, the right twine can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the best butcher twine options, helping you choose the perfect one for your next smoking adventure and elevate your barbecue game. Number 5. Regency Wraps Butcher's Twine, 500 feet, 16-ply, food-safe cotton. This heavy-duty cotton twine is perfect for all your kitchen needs. It's made from high-quality cotton and will last you a while with 500 feet in one pack. Use it for trussing turkey, forming roasts, and even making sausages. The uses are endless, from the kitchen to the garage and even for landscaping. This cotton kitchen string is also great for bundling newspapers, tying shrubs, and crafting. You can use it for gift tags, supporting plants, or as a decorative accent. This natural, food-grade cooking twine is oven-safe, but keep it away from flames. It's intended for single use to avoid cross-contamination. Regency Wraps is a family-owned business in the USA since 1985. Their quality products are used by top chefs worldwide for meat preparation and trussing poultry. What we like. This twine is made from heavy-duty cotton, ensuring it can handle all your kitchen needs. With a generous 500 feet, it will last you a long time. If you are looking for a reliable twine for trussing turkey, forming roasts, or even crafting, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This twine held the shoulder together well, it came quickly in time, and did its job in the cook. Strong enough to hold back my blackberry bush. Usamos esta hileza para cocinar unos muslos desusados rellenos, y a pesar de que les di vueltas para cocinarlos por ambos lados el relleno no es salió y los muslos permanecieron bien amarrados. Number 4. Vivifying Butcher's Twine, 656 feet food-safe cotton. This twine is incredibly long, measuring 656 feet. It's made from food-grade cotton, ensuring safety and health for all your culinary creations. The twine is 1 mm thick, providing strength and durability. It's a reliable helper in the kitchen and for various crafting projects. Use it for trussing turkeys, making sausages, and tying poultry. It's also great for roasting and cooking, making your food look professional. Beyond the kitchen, this twine is perfect for DIY crafts and gift wrapping. It adds a rustic touch to any project. It comes packed on a coil for easy use and storage. You can cut it freely to the length you need, making it very handy. We are confident that you will love this product. If you are not satisfied, you can replace it. What we like. This twine offers an impressive 656 feet of food-safe cotton, ensuring you have plenty for all your cooking and crafting needs. It comes conveniently packed on a coil, making it easy to use and store. If you often find yourself needing a lot of twine for various projects, this is the one for you. What people say. We used it this past Thanksgiving to tie the turkey with, no problems with it splitting or anything. It's durable, holds up well during baking, and best of all, it hasn't left any fibers on my loaves. The string is strong, holds up to cooking heat and everything stayed in place. Number 3. Vivifying Butcher's Twine, 328 feet cotton baker's twine. This twine is a must-have for any home cook. It's perfect for trussing turkeys, making sausages, and all your culinary creations. It's a great helper in life. Made with food-grade cotton, this twine ensures safety and health. You can use it with confidence for all your cooking needs. It's a reliable choice for your kitchen. This kitchen twine isn't just for cooking, it's also great for DIY crafts and gift wrapping. It's a versatile tool for various tasks. It's a handy addition to your supplies. Packed on a coil, this twine is very convenient to use. You can easily cut the length you need. It's designed for your convenience. We stand behind our product. If you're not satisfied, we offer a replacement. It's a risk-free purchase for you. What we like. This twine provides 328 feet of food-safe cotton, ideal for smaller projects or occasional use. It's also conveniently packed on a coil for easy handling. If you need a reliable twine for occasional cooking or crafting, this is a great option. What people say. Wrapping a pork belly and stayed together after a long bake. Very good quality. The twine is durable in the oven, and removes from the bread cleanly. It doesn't fray and comes with so much twine for the price. The string did exactly what it was supposed to do. Didn't burn or break. Number 2. Butcher's Cooking Twine, 3-pack, 555 feet. This is a versatile twine perfect for both kitchen and garden use. It's great for cooking, crafts, and gardening. You can use it in many ways. The tighter weave makes it easy to thread through a needle or tie up a roast. You can tie virtually any knot to extend its use. For a beef or lamb roast, try a surgeon's knot. This 16-ply multi-strand string can hold over 50 pounds. It maintains its strength even when wet and can withstand oven temperatures up to 500 F. It is very strong. This authentic chef's-grade cooking twine is food-safe and made of 100% natural cotton. It is safe to use in the kitchen. The 3-inch balls store easily in any drawer or container. Keep one in your garage, kitchen, and garden shed. It is very convenient. Use it anywhere in your home, kitchen, or garden. It's great for cooking, crafts, gardening, sausages, cheesecloth, tying packages, and string games. It is very versatile. What we like. This twine is designed for strength and ease of use, with a tighter weave for easier threading and knotting. It's made from food-safe, 100% natural cotton. If you value ease of use and durability in your kitchen twine, you should consider this one. What people say. The twine itself is very strong. Yardage is divided into 3 balls that are much easier to store and use than one big cone. Worked exactly how I needed it to, was nice and strong. Number 1. TJ.MOREE Butcher's Twine 3-ply 100 m. This twine is made of natural food-grade cotton. It's safe for use in the kitchen and won't affect the taste of your food. It's also high-temperature resistant and oven-safe. Use it to tie up your favorite cooking ingredients. Whether it's a turkey, chicken, or roast, this twine will help you keep everything in shape while cooking. This twine isn't just for cooking. You can also use it for crafts, holiday decorations, or any other DIY projects. The possibilities are endless. The twine comes in a convenient spool, and you can easily cut the length you need. It's simple to use and perfect for all your tying needs. This twine is 3-ply and 1 mm thick, providing strength and durability. It comes in a 100 m 328-foot spool, giving you plenty to work with for all your projects. What we like. This twine is made from natural, food-grade cotton and is oven-safe, ensuring it's safe for all your cooking needs. It's also great for crafts and decorations. If you are looking for a versatile and safe option for both cooking and crafting, it's a great choice. What people say. Strong and wonderful to use. Great twine for barbecue enthusiast in your life. This helps with keeping roasts, steaks, and whole chickens in line as you finish them off to their tasty smoky goodness. Holds up well during an 8 to 10 hour smoke and never once burned through. Been looking for this type of twine because I do not like the thin version that is sold everywhere. To me this is the perfect kitchen twine for trussing chicken, roasts etc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.